the video of the windy day by Claire and Kelly. It's so fucking windy. Oh, nothing excited's happening now. It would like full on blow away and then I get out my phone and it just decides to calm. It's my umbrella that's like having an epi.
Oh yeah, yours is not.
I've broken it. It's so windy, my umbrella's broken. Ah! Oh dear. Oh shit!
Oh, my eyes hurt.
Yeah, same. I've got eyeliner like running down my eyes. This is an interesting video for all our YouTube viewers of us walking down the road. The cars. Oh, I'm so cold. My fingers hurt. Yes, we are going to cross. We don't like blow away. I feel like Mary Poppins, for God's sake. Ah! No! Oh, my umbrella blew away. Oh, okay. So my phone is set. My umbrella's broke. Oh no! Oh no! What? Oh, that's not very good. Oh god, I look like a retard. Oh my god. My umbrella, can you fix my umbrella? I'm like collecting water. I'll hold my phone for a sec. Will I fix my umbrella? Please. Ah! What's the point in having an umbrella if it's like this?
Put it against the window.
I can't! I can't! Thank you! Woo! All fixed. Ow! I like ripped my earring out! Okay. Freaking hell, go down! Oh no, it's well and truly fucked. I know. Kind of need it for your present though.
I need to go back to my mum. Yeah. £5 to my mum. £10 out.
Can you fix my umbrella?
No, I'm not touching her. It's wet.
Yeah, you've got gloves on.
Yeah, I'm
You're not some like posh person.